different and between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then, nakabutang dere indicate kung sa meaning anong mga CO, PO. Okay, taas na kayo kung hindi ko na ikon. Tangan nun sa ubos o kuwan. Then, based sa cent, so, if in-discuss ninyo, aside from sa inyong kuan, yung literature nga i-add, or na may literature i-add nga i-base mo kuan ani nga results. So ang inyong one is ang acceptability ranges from 7.40 to 8.57 with overall means of 7.86. Then the scent acceptability was affected by the different types of essential oil added to your product, most especially on treatment 1 that affects treatment 2 and 4. Then treatment 1 also treatment 2 affects treatment 1, 5 ug 6. That treatment 3 is not the treatment D is affected. The treatment 1 acceptability, and treatment 5, 6 treatment 6 acceptability. Oto. So naman dira, so naman nila ko means common letters within the column. Diyan na pag-chika ha, mata ko. Means with common letters. So kung kasi paring hanya letters dira, that means na affected na sila with each other. Ayan na. So as general na lang na based on scent acceptability, the type of essential oil affect the scent acceptability of the product na lang. Pero kung gusto mo sa discussion, ito ang meaning na. Then, the scent acceptability ranges from 8.37 to 8.37. Then, the overall means of 7.42. In the strength, acceptability was affected by the different levels of essential oil. Most especially treatment 1 who affected most of the treatments. Kaya naman A. So nasa most basically ang treatment 1 was affected by the other treatments since treatment 1 is only coffee oil. Wala ingredients, so na-affectuhan din siya. Kung ma-add siya og ingredients, so explain na lang yung difference kita. So manita sa acceptability. So ranges from 6.57 to 7.63 with overall means of 7.16. Then the acceptability also affected by the different types of essential oil added to your product, most especially treatment 4 that affected by treatment 1, 2, and 4. So buta na lang mo mag-add na mo literature if maka-kuan ang statement. Then, effectiveness acceptability ranges from 7.4 to 8.30 with overall means of 7.77. Then, that effectiveness acceptability also affected by the different types of essential oil added to your product. So, the most affected treatment was treatment 6. Was affected by treatment 2, 3, 4 and 5. Kaya naman siya tanan diri. Na-common sa 2, na-common sa 3, na-common sa 4, o na-common sa 1. So, general acceptability, kung ano ba yung mag-add this sa inyo ha, usa ka paragraph ang kaning essence so paragraph din tangan niyo og literature nga
Excited.
oo
Tanan po nga.
tanan kung naa gitaan na if wala pero then the general acceptability also is ranges from 7.33 to 8.22 overall mean of 7.70. And also the general acceptability also ranges affected by the different types of essential oil added to their product. Then treatment 1 to 3 was not affected by each other, but treatment 1 affects treatment 1 and 4 was affected by each other, but treatment 6 was also affected by treatment 2 and 3. Muna na mag-add up sa iputang ninyo. Okay, sa determine the best formulation based on the graph. Kung ano sa nga graph, sa nga number, sa type 2 nga na. So, ala nagi buta na. So, yun na po, ang best treatment is treatment 6. Okay? Because we decided that treatment 6 is the best formulation because majority of the parameter acceptability was high at this point. Tanawa. Dari, tayo mong nasa sa ano siya dyan. Taas lang siya dyan na, pero mas taas siya 6. Then, kanisad ay yellow is effectiveness, ang orange of blue. So, nalin nyo na, majority of the parameters was high at this point, especially scent acceptability, scent acceptability which is kaning blue, ang high siya rin, stability acceptability which stability acceptability which is kaning red, pinataas siya din apart. Then effectiveness acceptability also high at treatment 6, and the general acceptability also high at this point. So we decided that treatment 6 is the best treatment for among the 6 treatments. So kung naman discuss. So more to. Then ang kaning i-attach kaning results. Kaning tables is i-attach niyo sa sa inyong appendices. Nang hintay lang ANOVA results. So, mga question. Isa na ako sa online kay. Just download lang
Yes, sir.
para ma-edit. So, may sindan.
Dito na lang, sir.
Sa chat ako.